Isang makasaysayang gabi ng pagkakaisa ang naganap ng pangunahan ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ang Grand Iftar sa Malacañang Palace sa Manila. Ang Grand Iftar ay isang mahalagang pagtitipon sa panahon ng Ramadan, kung saan sama-samang nagbe-break ng kanilang pag-aayuno ang mga Muslim sa paglubog ng araw. Dinaluhan ito ng mga opisyal mula sa Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, BARMM, at iba pang leader ng pamahalaan. Sa gabing ito, ipinakita ang matibay na ugnayan sa pagitan ng pamahalaan at ng Bangsamoro leadership na may layuning palakasin ang pagkakaisa, inklusibong pamamahala at pangmatagalang kapayapaan sa Pilipinas.
Please remain standing for the invocation, which shall be led by the Executive Director of the Bangsamoro Darul Ifta, Sheikh Marhan Burhan.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wa qala rabbukum ud'uni astajib lakum, amin ya rabbal alamin. Allahumma innaka afuwun tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anna. Allahumma ighfir lana dhunubana kullaha wa dikkaha wa gillaha awwalaha wa akhiraha alaniyataha wa sirraha wa tub alaina innaka antat tawwabur rahim. Allahumma waffiq qadatana wa ulata umurina lima tuhibbuhu wa tarda ya arhamar rahimin. Allahumma hdihim lil adl wal hikmati was salah waj'alhum khairan sababan bi khairil biladi wal ibad. Allahumma adim alaina ni'matal amni wassalam wahfad alaina wahfad biladana minal fitan ma zahara minha wa ma batan wanshur sakinata wa tumanina fi qulubi ibadika ya arhamar rahimin waj'al biladana bilada amnin wa istikrarin ya arhamar rahimin innaka anta ala kulli syai'in qadir. Allahumma antas salam wa minka salam wa ilayka yarji'u salam fahina bis salam wa adkhilna jannataka daras salam ya arhamar rahimin. Allahumma ja'alna fi hadhihi al-lailati minal maqbulin waktub lana fiha ar-rahmah wal maghfirah wa itqa minan nar ya arhamar rahimin. Allahumma taqabbal minna siyamana wa qiyamana waghfir lana dhunubana kullaha sirraha wa alaniyatiha ya arhamar rahimin. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanah wa fil akhirati hasanah wa qina adzaban nar walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
Walhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. We may now be seated. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are gathered here today for the Grand Iftar 2026. This gathering affirms the shared values of faith, unity, and compassion that defines the holy month of Ramadan. It is time commitments that together in a reflection of gratitude and solidarity. To formally begin our program, may we call on the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, Chief Minister Abdul Rauf A. Magakua for his opening remarks.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., President of the Republic of the Philippines, the other guests in this afternoon affair, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and good afternoon. It is my honor to warmly welcome you to this Malacañang warm Grand Iftar. We appreciate your presence as we came together for this significant occasion during Ramadan. We gather not only as leaders and partners, but also as individual in a shared moment of reflection that Ramadan brings to every Muslim home. Ramadan is a time when we pause, reflect, and return to what truly matters. Fasting reminds us of humility. It is remind us that leadership must accompanied by discipline, patience, and sincere care for the people we serve. Gathering like this may seem simple, but they carry meanings. When leaders sit together, national leaders, Bangsamoro leaders, and partners peace, we strengthen trust. And in the Bangsamoro, trust has always been the foundation of progress. This gathering carries a special meaning for us. It is the Grand Iftar we share during the Bangsamoro transition period, reminding us how far the Bangsamoro people journey has come and why we must continue moving forward together. Malaki ang halaga ng pagkakaisang ito sapagkat kapag nagtutulungan ang pambansang pamahalaan at ang pambansang Bangsamoro, mas nagiging matatag ang landas natin tungo sa mas matatag na Bangsamoro. Allow me to express our sincere gratitude to His Excellency President Ferdinand R. Marcos for his continued support for the Bangsamoro peace process and to strengthen the partnership between national government and the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region. We are grateful to our partners in the national government, especially the senators and the congressmen who supported the measures that allows the Bangsamoro Transition Authority to continue serving as the interim government until the new elected officials assume office on November 30, 2026, ensuring that the coming Bangsamoro election will be a peaceful and credible. Inside the Bangsamoro government, the cooperation between the executive and the Bangsamoro Parliament remains essential. I also recognize the dedication and hard work of our ministers and members of the Bangsamoro Parliament whose continued efforts help advance development and progress in the region as we work together para sa mas matatag na Bangsamoro. As we prepare to break our past, may it renew our shared commitment to peace, to cooperation, and to a stronger Bangsamoro. Hindi po ito matatapos kung mabanggit ang pasasalamat kay Pangulong Presidente na siya mismo ang nag-offer sa atin na gamitin ito para sa Grand Iftar ng Bangsamoro at saka Malacañang. And in fact, during our exchanges in message, sinabi na maghanap tayo sa labas ng hotel, kami mismo. Pero at the end of the day, sinabi rin na the best option is Malacañang ang gagawin ng Grand Iftar. With that, Mr. President, we are very thankful to you and the Bangsamoro people. May the unity we share at this table tonight continue to guide our leadership even beyond Ramadan. Sa ating pagkakaisa at pagtutulungan para sa mas matatag na Bangsamoro. Ramadan Mubarak to everyone. Mabuhay ang Presidente, mabuhay ang Pilipinas, mabuhay ang Bangsamoro, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Chief Minister Mukakuwa. And now, may we call on Special Assistant to the President, Antonio Ernesto F. Lagdameo Jr. to introduce our keynote speaker this evening.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Thank you to the Special Assistant to the President, Secretary Anton Lagdameo. Please take your seats. With us here the Excellencies of the Diplomatic Corps, the members of the Cabinet, the honorable members of the House of Representatives, and the officials and members of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, led by Chief Minister Abdulrahman Makakwa, fellow workers in government, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor to join you here today for Iftar and share a meal with you. Your presence here affirms that our nation remains a place where people of every faith and background are always welcome in fellowship and with mutual respect. And today that spirit of welcome is made even more meaningful because Ramadan is a time for people to come together. It is a time to gather with family, sit beside neighbors, reconnect with a wider community. As we gather here, we are mindful that many parts of the country and the world are facing uncertainty and serious challenges. We see tensions in different parts of the world, particularly now in the Middle East, a region that is deeply significant to many who share the Islamic faith. Many of us, if not all, follow the recent developments closely. These events prompt us to reflect and to respond on their possible effects, not only on the international community, but more importantly on our own people, our economy, and the everyday lives of our families. We are likewise saddened and concerned on the rising human cost to this conflict. We think of the many innocent lives that are clearly being affected, especially our Muslim brothers and sisters who during this sacred month should be experiencing a time of peace and reflection, and yet are now burdened with worry and distress. Many Filipino Muslims also share in this profound sorrow. So in moments like these, we are reminded of a simple truth. Peace anywhere matters to people everywhere. Here in the Philippines, we continue our steady work to safeguard and to strengthen the foundations of peace. And we do so with a deep sense of responsibility, mindful that the decisions we make here today must help secure a safer and more stable future for our children and for the families that they will one day build. Ramadan offers us guidance on how we might respond to these realities. Through fasting, prayer, and acts of generosity, you demonstrate values that also strengthen our nation, the values of discipline, humility, and compassion for those who have less. These are not merely spiritual ideas and personal virtues. They are civic duties as well. In many ways, Ramadan teaches us a powerful lesson in nation building. A strong nation, after all, is built by citizens who have the heart and the discipline to put the welfare of others before their own. And this spirit is reflected in our continuing and committed work for lasting peace in Mindanao and throughout our country. One of our greatest hopes lies in the continued progress of the BARMM. The journey toward peace and meaningful self-governance is never simple. It requires patience, honest dialogue, and the courage to believe that reconciliation is always possible. As previously and numerously mentioned before, this administration remains fully supported of creating a people-centered governance system in the Bangsamoro region. Our work is not yet done. We remain steadfast that we will ensure the promise of peace translates into real opportunities for the Bangsamoro people and for all Filipinos. Because peace must not exist only in signed agreements. It must be felt in everyday life. And so, gatherings like this carry a deeper meaning than what we sometimes realize. They inspire all of us, Muslim and non-Muslims alike, to walk the path of respect, of understanding, and solidarity. When we recognize the sacredness of each other's traditions, we sit together and we gather for prayer. We strengthen the quiet foundation of our nation. As the remaining days of this holy month approach, may you find a greater sense of purpose in serving both the Almighty and our communities. Together, let us continue building a nation where every Filipino, regardless of faith, culture, or background, will live in dignity, security, and confidence in the future. May the Almighty accept your fasts and prayers, bless our homes, and guide our beloved country to an even brighter and more peaceful bagong Pilipinas. Thank you, and once again, Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you, Mr. President. At this point, may we request the President to kindly remain on stage for the presentation of token. This token shall be presented by the BARMM Chief Minister, Abdul Rauf A. Makakua.
Ang kahulugan ng itong Grand Iftar nito ay yung pagkakaisa at pagmamahalan at ang ating paniniwala na ang lahat ay magiging mapayapa. Dahil ang ating mahal na Pangulo ay talagang tinataguyod at committed sa Bangsamoro peace process. Sa ating mahal na Pangulo at ating First Lady, nagpapasalamat po kami sa lahat niyong pagsuporta sa Bangsamoro at saka sa Women Peace and Security Agenda. Mabuhay po kayo, mahal na Pangulo, at maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtaguyod sa Bangsamoro peace process.
You know, Ramadan for us is a month of unity and a month of forgiveness to everyone. This is really a manifestation that the present administration is very supportive to the cause and the plight of the Bangsamoro Muslim. Ngayon, na nandito tayo ngayon, celebrating the Grand Iftar. So, ito ay isa lang ang mensahe nito. Kailangan magkaisa yung Muslim, non-Muslim, and they peace also, because only that we can achieve a real peace in our homeland. Nakikita natin sa ground, and even in the national scene, is yung Bangsamoro is umaangat na talaga with the support of the President. Salamat po, Ginoong President Romualdez Marcos, for this opportunity na binigay mo sa amin. Saka with that, we are really thankful for your support, and in return, the Bangsamoro community really support you in whatever capacity we can.